Welcome back to Steaming with Steve. Today we're going to carry on with our Code Combat adventure. So if we go down here, we're going to go through concept challenges now, which are a little bit different to the adventures we've done so far. So we're going to do the careful steps. I'm going to play that. That's going to have a mixture of all the skills that we've carried through so far. So it's basically going to check all the knowledge that we have and see how we go with moving to the red mark. So rather than giving you some code, they basically will expect you to be able to type it all for yourself now. So if we go hero.move up to get us up to the top there, then we want to go hero.move right. Then we want to go hero.move down. Then we're going to cheat a little and put a 2 in there. So instead of just going down, writing down again, we do move down 2. Then we want to go hero.move up. And then we'll go hero.move right. So this pattern should now move. Oh, hang on, we'll need to do one more at the start there, won't we? So we'll need to go hero.move right at the start. So that will get away from the X. Then we'll move up, right, down, down, up, and then right. And hopefully that will collect all the gems.
Right.
Oops, we didn't need to move right, but it's still gonna work.
Right. I can't get there.
So, he didn't start the X, did he? I failed. Uh-oh. Bad computer science teacher. Right, here we go.
Right.
Try it again.
Move right. Move down. Move up. Move right.
Oh, move back to the exit. So I haven't done it all, have I? So this is one of those classic examples where you need to read the instructions, right? So we've done move right. Now we're going to go hero.move left. Hero.move up. Hero.move left. Hero.move down. And hero.move left. Let's see how that goes.
Move up. Move right. Move down. Move up. Move right. Move left. Move up. Move left. Move down.
Looking pretty good. Awesome. Nailed it. Cool, so got all the gems and we return back to the exit. So then we'll click on done. And then we'll go back to the map. Great, hopefully pick something up in that. See you next time on Steaming with Steve.